Hello everyone, it's me, Henry Buxtall. Welcome to my channel, Troubleshooting with Henry. Today's episode is when things don't go according to plan. No matter how well you prepare for your trip, there will always be elements that go wrong. Unexpected things pop up. Extra expenses, missed flights, illness, getting lost, bad weather, or bugs in your rented accommodation. The most important thing in any situation is to remain calm. Getting stressed won't help. It will only make things worse. So try to breathe and think your way through problems. One time, while traveling in Paris, my companions and I got a bit turned around. We went to the wrong train station and we had to take a taxi to a different station across the city, through downtown Paris. The taxi was racing through the streets, but we remained calm. We barely made it on time. We all worked together and everything turned out okay in the end. On another occasion, we missed a connecting flight because of a security breach in Marseille due to a power outage. Everyone had to get off the plane and we were all put through security again. By the time we got to Paris, we had to run through the airport to catch our flight, but they wouldn't let us on. The next flight wasn't until the following day. My traveling companion calmly spoke to the airline staff and we got a hotel near the Paris airport with meal vouchers. Not an ideal situation, but everything worked out and it was very memorable. Once, and this is a gross one, we had to vacuum up thousands of stink beetles in our rented farmhouse due to an unexpected infestation. It was in France, where the bugs were called les punaises diaboliques. We all worked together to clear them out and became extermination experts by the end of our stay. Again, unpleasant at the time, but we dealt with it, and the experience was definitely memorable. At different times, both of my traveling companions became quite ill. We did what we had to do, stayed calm, and made the best of learning about the French medical system. We learned lots of new vocabulary. FYI, make sure you get travel medical insurance and investigate what they actually cover. You never know when you might need it. Another time, when staying at a villa in Portugal, there was no heat. We found ourselves freezing at night and into the next day. So we made a plan B. There was a fireplace in the living room, so we collected firewood during the day and lived in one room in the evenings to stay warm. It was fun and very cozy. As travelers, you have to know you will get lost. It happens. But we found even when we got lost, we always ended up somewhere interesting. By adjusting your attitude, you can make the best of things. And in my experience, those changes in your plans often make the best memories. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below. And as always, special thanks to Johnny Flynn for giving us permission to use his beautiful music. Happy travels!